Welcome students. Now in this video we are going to write the NC part program for this given workpiece. So this is the plate of thickness 14 mm, and in this plate we are going to drill these 3 holes. Okay, so the dimensions are given in millimeter, of course, right? So what they are asking, write this part programming, NC part programming for this given job. So this is of course the drilling operation. So we are going to write the program for this. Say take this point P00 as the reference point, okay, and see, while writing the program, what we are initially assume that, say, so this is the surface of the plate, and from the surface of the plate, say our drill at the position, say at above this 20 millimeter. Okay, so what we are going to do, so when from point 00, of course with the rapid traverse we are going to reach at point 15, 15. So where our tool is at this point, say at this point our drill is or tool is 20 mm above the surface of the plate. So again we are going to use the rapid traverse to go and have the tool position just above the from the surface of the plate up to 3 millimeter, and then we can have this drilling operation. Okay, so how to do that, let us see. So let us write the first block, that is say N010, G71, G90, G94, end of the block. What I have written here, say this is G71 is the programming in metric millimeter, G90 we are using the absolute mode for the dimensions, absolute programming is there, and G94 the feed that we are going to use it is in millimeter per minute. For drilling and milling operation, you know, G94, for turning operation it is G98, G99 for feed in minute, millimeter per minute, or feed per revolution. So here we have taken the feed in mm per minute. Next sequence, that is N020, second block I am going to write. This is for M03. I am going to use the feed of 300 meter per minute, and spindle speed, say I am using here 1200 RPM से क्या हो रहा है, spindle speed है, that is revolution per minute से ये घूम रहा है, right? Either you can have the meter per minute also, but here revolution per minute I am saying that. So this is what M03. I have started my spindle it is rotating with 1200 RPM, and feed I am going to use it 300 mm per minute. Okay, so this is my second block is over. Okay, now see, now I am going for the tool movement. Say from this point 00, now I am going to have the position of the drill at 15, 15. Still no drilling is we are doing the drilling operation, only the movement of the tool, no machining. So definitely I am using the rapid traverse. So G00, okay, X15, Y15, okay. So this block is over. So definitely still I am from the surface, the drill bit is 20 mm up. Okay, so now I am rapidly moving the drill to the distance of, say, just from the work surface 3 millimeter above. Okay, so I can write this N040, Z00, same, it is same because the tool is at same point X15, Y15. Only thing is that Z is 3 millimeter. Okay, now I can start the drilling operation. So write the program block N050, G. Now the linear interpolation will come G01, again X15, Y15. Now Z is what? How much depth of the drill? Depth of the workpiece, that drill is moving inside for 14 mm. So Z, please remember Z upper positive, from the work surface to the depth negative, isn't it? X in this direction positive, in this direction negative, and Y in direction positive, in this direction negative. This is X, Y and Z. Okay, so now how much depth? 14 millimeter drilling is done. Now after completion the operation, take the drill with the rapid traverse again to the position Z3, N060, G00. With the rapid traverse I am coming to the point or Z 3 millimeter above the work surface. Now N070, what you are going to have? Now you are going to move from this position to this point 15 to the point 60-15. So here again no drilling, so rapidly you can come to this location, that is X60, and Y is how much? 15, isn't it? Now again N070, still you are 3 mm just above the surface of the work. Now you can go for the drilling operation, that is Z minus 14. You have the second drill. Okay, now come fast to the again Z3, that is N08, sorry it was 80, now it will be the block number 90, G00, Z 3 mm. Okay, now from here go to the next point, next drill, that is at point 60-35. So it is N 100th block I am writing, or 10th block actually it is. So G00, X60 and Y how much? 20 plus 15, 35. Okay, block number N110, go for the drilling, that is Z minus 14. Okay, after drilling hole come up at Z is equal to 3 millimeter, that is N120, G00, Z3. Okay, now after this N130. Okay, now all the three drills are all the three holes are drilled. Now you are just above 3 millimeter. So what I am suggesting you, instead of now coming to the up to only 3 millimeter after drilling this third hole, you can come to the original, that is 20 millimeter up, and from there here you can directly have your original or reference point. So instead of taking the Z here 3, I can take Z is 20 mm, rapidly direct tool जो drill था 20 mm पे आ गए. Now directly come to the reference point X0, Y0, and here N140 I can add, M02, end of the program. Okay, so this is how, see, very simple, we can able to write the part program for this drilling operation. In same fashion we can write for the milling operation, we can write for turning, right? So go through it and try to write the program for different operations like milling, like turning by your own. Thank you.